my name is Monica. This is Monkaboo Projects. Today, I'm opening up some mail. Let's do this. And welcome back. So the other day, I was watching YouTube videos, and there's a new channel that I subscribe to called Where Nerdy is Cool. Link will be down below. Go tell them that Monkaboo sent you. Anyways, the gentleman was reviewing this particular kit, and as you can see from the title of this video, it's dealing with Arduino Unos. Now, secret time about me. I've been making like film props on and off for like 15 years. And the one thing I could never quite get my hands on is the ability to program an Arduino. Like, I know how to solder, I know how to build like a very simple basic circuit, but that's about it. Arduino has always been one of those things where it's like, wow, that's magic over there. Because if you know how to program, you can pretty much do anything with this like little tiny computer. And I want the ability to make a prop and design a reaction when you press a button. I think that is so cool, and I've always been very intimidated until I saw this kit. This kit looks like I'm going to have a ton of fun learning, and I want to show you what this thing is about. And by the way, all of this is under $30. What? That's including the Uno. Hey everyone, Editing Monica here. So I keep saying the words Arduino and ELEGOO. I need to be clear. These are brand names. That's it. It's kind of like when people say, hey, can you hand me a Kleenex? It's like that. Kleenex is actually a brand name. People just prefer to say Kleenex versus facial tissue. Yeah. I really should be saying Uno, but I keep saying Arduino and ELEGOO. So, again, brand names, I apologize. I hope I made that clear. And with that being said, we move on. All right. The ELEGOO Uno Starter Kit. Now, like I said, I bought this thing off of Amazon for, I don't know, less than $30. And as soon as I saw it, and they said that, because I thought it was initially a kit that did not have the Uno, and I have an Uno, but I'm like, okay, but then when they said, hey, it comes with an Uno, I was like, what? So, let's get started here. There it be. Now, this kit is 8 by, I don't know, 8 by 6-ish. Kind of cool. All right, what do we got here? We have a thank you card. There is a super starter kit for Uno. It has the PDFs, codes, and libraries. There is a photo library that this will explain what the items are inside this box. So, got these like little pin jumper cables, which will save me time. Your standard like printer cable, which, by the way, there she be, all nice, sealed, and protected. Prototyping, expansion board. So it's a build plate, and it has a breadboard attachment. Ooh, LED screen, propeller. Ooh. This feels like a like an Xbox 360 controller knob. Basic motor. Okay, so you have on the Arduino, there's like a little plug where you plug in, and you can attach a 9-volt battery. Ooh, there's a remote. That's going to be a lot of fun. To be able to build a prop, set it on the table, and possibly like to activate a certain, I don't know, code that I programmed. That's super exciting to me. We have a bunch of different resistors. Oh, it's a joystick module. That's cool. I might be able to like move things around. Breadboard, which, dang, that is like legit. Cool, it's a ribbon cable, so you have male and female ends. An ultrasonic board. You have your standard LED packet. Oh, we have a PCB, and I think those are buzzers. We have some basic buttons. Got a 9-volt battery, which is kind of cool. A motor, which is something I really want to learn. The IR receiver module, so this will be dealing with the remote. We got your server motor. This is a power supply module. Now we're getting into the smaller thing. What is this? Who are you? It's a DHT11 temperature and humidity module. Ooh, we have some 7-segment LEDs. So look at that. This is everything you get in the kit. And like I said, it comes with its own Arduino. You have all the cabling you need, a breadboard to really kind of plan out your projects. You have the CD, all of this for a grand total of like $30-something. So I just showed you all the items that were in the little package when it arrived, and now I'm going to show you what the CD that comes with the package holds. Now I'm hoping that there's a bunch of really cool lessons in here. I'm more of a visual learner, so I don't think there will be videos, but hopefully there is some clear instructions with the PDFs. So let's see, we have several different languages. We got the driver, read me first. Dear customer, thank you. Okay. Just kind of suggestions on where to go. Nice. We're going to go to English. Awesome. We have different codes. Look at all those lessons. Oh my goodness. I'm so excited. I'm guessing this is just the software that you would, the software that you would upload into the Uno. Let's see what else we got. Libraries. Oh, looking for like with the remote, the keypad, all that stuff. Servos. I'm looking forward to that. Let's see, we got the starter kits. Okay. So explaining. Okay, so you have the packing list that I just went through, and 162 pages. Ooh, so much stuff. Very clear and concise. Oh, look at these lesson plans. 0 to 24. Installing the IDE, adding libraries. Okay. Oh, and there's links. There's links. And they show you how to use the Arduino software. Nice. Okay. See, I'm a visual learner, so to see things like this is very, very helpful. And that's it for me, boys and girls. If you want your own ELEGOO Uno starter kit, it'll be listed down in the doobly-doo. If you're new here, consider subscribing. Follow me on all the social media. And if you like this video, give me a big thumbs up. Like, share, subscribe. It does help my channel. But last but not least, if you had a kit like this, what would you do with it? I am so curious. Let's start that conversation. Until then, I'll see you next time. Let's do this. Stop staring at yourself. Stop staring at yourself. You gotta look at the people. Look them in the eye. Tell them that you care and you want them to subscribe. And all that stuff. YouTuber.